Hi, it's Finn. I came to show you the finished product for the hyaluronate gel, and here it is. This is what it looks like. It just looks like the water, yeah, but it's different when you put it on your, it's kind of a jelly. When you put it on your skin, it goes on like an aloe vera gel. So there it is. It's finished. It's gel. And so you can use it for about 2 weeks. Uh, and in the sun, it's pretty good to keep your skin moisturized. And actually, 1 teaspoon will actually hold a gallon of water. So be sure to wet your face. I'll show you how to put it on. One moment. Let me see if I can find my little spritzer. One moment. Okay, here's my little spritzer. And I really like it because it smells like roses. So I'll wet my face. And then I'll get a little bit of the gel. And that way it already has moisture on it to go ahead and oop, and absorb in my from my skin, and it will put like a little thin layer of protectant. And it's, like I said, it's kind of like a little aloe vera gel. It's very easy to apply, and you just rub it everywhere like a little gel, and then it puts a little layer on. Now it is going to dry, so uh, the um, the gel will dry, and then it will be the finished product. And so it just protects your skin, but it does um, put a good sealant on it, so you can go into the sun with it, and it doesn't, it doesn't crack or anything. It does give the skin a little bit of a tightening, and that's kind of a good thing. So if you want to make it, you can buy it like on Amazon or eBay, and that's how you make it. That's how you apply it, and then when you're finished with it, you just put it in the refrigerator, and you have you can put like little date tabs on it, and you have the 2 little containers that will last you each 2 weeks. So you have plenty that you can put on in the morning. You can have put it on at night, and so you're pretty good to go for 2 weeks. And so there it is, sodium hyaluronate gel made at home and very easy to make. It's 1 teaspoon, yes, 1 teaspoon per 7 tablespoons of water, or 103 milliliters of water. I thank you so much for watching, and you take care of yourself. And until next time, hit the subscribe button if you want to, if you're interested, and I'll have videos up for you about all different kinds of things every day. As I said before, it's just a journey of my life, being no contact from generational narcissistic abuse. And so it's a fun life, and it's just fun every day. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, pursue happiness.